Hello everybody, my name is Ed Pulio. I'm the electrical instructor here at Vinyl Tech. Right now you're standing in my theory room where I normally teach the 9th and 10th grade classes. Taking a walk out here, this is our area for our 9th and 10th graders where they do their projects. We do various board projects here on these benches. Once we graduate from that, we get our underclassmen working in these booths where they simulate wiring actual houses. Looking at this back wall here, this is an area where our sophomores usually do some of their projects. As you can see, some of them are working on some electrical panels, learning to build electrical services just like what exists on your very own house. Coming back on this side, our upperclassmen, juniors and seniors, they hone their skills on working on motor controls for the industrial side of our trade. Taking you to this side, this is where the upperclassmen reside. So before going on in production, or doing in-school production here where we fix all the electrical needs for the building, our juniors and seniors normally sit on this side where they get their theory lessons and learn industrial parts of the trade with Mr. Zisk. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the electrical shop, and I hope to talk to you soon.
I'm Logan Palmer. I'm in the electrical department, class of 2022. We're asked to come down to carpentry to install a plug mold over there so we can charge the cordless batteries. And so what we had to do, start from here, run 1/2 inch pipe all the way down the sides of the walls, come down into here, power the whole cord, and the whole power strip. We gotta learn how to size the wire, size pipe, and size boxes. We also had to install a pilot light so it turns on, so you know when the power's going to the battery. Not.
Hi, my name's Alex Becker. I'm part of the 2022 electrical class. Down here in Diesel, we had a problem where an entire wall of receptacles were not working. So me and a classmate took our meters and diagnosed the problem and installed new receptacles and ran a new feed to power them. The teacher also requested a welding outlet, which we reviewed the specs of the welder that he has and proceeded to install one according to the code.